accident. Run. A Beaver County man being held for murder is more labor.
Bro. Hell no. Bro. What? Hell yeah. Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy KSI here, and finally, after weeks of waiting, finally have the Houdini sale by scamstuffs.com. So Brian Brushwood, thank you so much for this beauty. I mean, I pay for it, but still, like, thank you for this piece of art. It's so beautiful. Handcrafted, beautifully perfect. It's just amazing. This 2 pounds of awesomeness limited edition Houdini cell comes with an heirloom quality locked puzzle box made of exotic rain tree wood. It is a beautifully handcrafted puzzle box. Alright, so let's try to solve this, the Houdini cell. So before I start, let me tell you that I have solved before a Houdini puzzle box that, as I can see, is very similar to this one. So I don't know if it's the same logic behind the puzzle that I have solved before. It's called the Houdini puzzle or something like that. I don't remember what was the name, but I have solved a puzzle box similar to this one. I'm gonna leave the image right here. So that one, yeah, it's very similar, and I think it's the same logic. So before we start, if it's the same logic, I think I can solve it in like 2 minutes or something like that. Now if it's different, it's gonna take me a while, let's be honest. So before we start, just little like heads up, I've solved something similar before, so probably won't take me too much. Now let's start and let's see. Okay, so in the last one that I solved, it was something like, I don't know if you'll be able to see through the camera, probably not the best way to look at it, but you try to open it. If you actually try to open this, you can probably see a couple of these like buttons. You see, you can push this right here and it will come up the other way through the other side. So the thing is, if you try to open this like this, I don't know if you can see it because I think it's kind of hard to see, but if you try to open it, a couple of these buttons move. Some of them move, some of them don't move. So what I did in the last one, it was push the ones that move, and that's how I open it practically. And there's other few buttons here at the bottom too. They come up through the other side, as you can see. Oh man, this is harder than I thought. That you gotta be focused like on what's on camera and also try to solve this puzzle. Okay, so let's try it that way. I think that's the way, but I'm not sure though. Okay, so I'm gonna try to move this, and I don't know if you'll be able to see, but when I try to open it, a couple of those bottoms, little bottoms, move. I don't know if you can see. So I'm gonna push those to the other side, and let's see if that's like the way to do it. Let's see. So I'm gonna push these two. Okay, they move a lot, so it's kind of hard. And let me see. This one moves. Okay. Yep, I think that's the way. I told you, like I've sold one similar before. And now this is almost completely open. Now I need to do the one that is at the bottom. Okay. Little disclaimer, like if you have this puzzle, I will recommend don't watch this video and go solve it first. Now if you don't have it and you're just watching for fun, then welcome. Okay, so let's try to do it that way, the same way here at the bottom. I know it's kind of hard to see, but there's a couple of buttons that move. For example, I can see this one moves. Okay, this one moves. Let's see. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of hard to see. It's kind of hard to record this actually. Let me see. Okay, here. So that one moves. So I'm gonna push that. And then let me see. I don't know if I can't tell which one moves. Actually, none of them moves. I'm gonna push this one. No, it's not that way. I'm gonna push this one too. Up, whoop, whoa, bo, 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 bo. Dude. Okay. Okay, I got it. Wow. So yeah, so I'm not disappointed because I kind of knew it was the same logic than the last puzzle box that I solved. But honestly, what's inside is what got me with this puzzle. There's a lot of value inside this puzzle box, and I'm gonna let you know what it is. So as we can see, there's a box here. I will open it soon. Here's a paddle. The padlock. The padlock. This is for learning and practicing the art of lock picking. And I think this is so cool, man. So what's inside? I will let you know right now. Yep, this is the numbered, individually numbered jackknife lock pick set. So with this, you can practice how to lock picking with this padlock. You know? Oh wow, this pretty cool. It has also its own key, so this actually works like a real padlock. Okay, so what's inside? The special edition individually numbered jackknife lock pick set. A see-through padlock for learning and practicing the art of lock picking. The just released premium Hudson deck of Theory 11 playing cards. set of tactical thumb cuffs, material for making scaptions. A lifetime supply of invisible thread. A aged bottle opener that's secretly a USB flash drive containing a digital Houdini museum full of silent films starring Houdini, complete books written by Houdini himself, posters, articles, and even part of the only known audio recording of Houdini. Also, some multimedia enhanced versions of Scam School Books 1 and 2, and hours of premium extra credit video magic tutorials. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been very fun to me, even though I knew how to solve it because I've solved a similar puzzle box before. But that was very fun still, and this is handcrafted, and I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate the details on this puzzle. It's amazing. There's a lot of value, as I said before. There's so much value into this. It's not just about a beautiful decoration you can put in your shelf or tease your friends if you want. Challenge them to solve it seriously, and I appreciate that a lot. There's a lot of detail. I love that. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching. If you wanna see more content like this, I'm gonna try my best to upload more often. And thank you so much. Peace the hell out.